See? You want to taste some frosting? A little bit of frosting. Is that good? You like that? Oh, we just gave you a bath too. That help frost your little cookie. Frosting your little cookie.
Is this mine already?
A little Jimmy or two? Yeah.
Go
Go ahead, help mom. I'll help auntie. Now we're going to press them in a little bit. A little bit melted.
Good job.
There you go. There's your cookie. We should have made it for the bathtub. Mmm.
Kevin, did you make a cookie?
Nice little sugar cookie.
Is it yum?
Oh, he's taking a bite. Little bite. Little bite. Mmm. Yeah, you like that, huh? Look at Joshy's cookie. Oh, look at Kevin's cookie.
Josh, is that good? Nice cookie.
Outfit.
Yeah, there's one more.
Oops, you got it? Just a little bite.
Nom, 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 nom.
They're like very soft cookies. Yeah, try one of